Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So here's the Google Smart Clock, y'all, and it comes from Best Buy, $90, and I got it for Black Friday for $35, so I had to hurry up and grab it and steal it because I'm not paying $90 for a digital clock. What I look like? I mean, it does have other functionalities than your normal digital clock. Digital clocks have been thrown out. You can find them at the Goodwill. Like, why would you buy a digital clock for Black Friday? This clock for the sole purpose of not looking at my phone in the morning and jumping on social media later on in the day versus right when I wake up, because I want to have a productive day. And they say that if you look at your phone instantly in the morning, you know, it's not natural. It's not natural to your eyes. It's not natural to, you know, your brain when you first wake up. You usually want to wake up to like sunlight. You want to wake up the natural way. And now that, you know, all this technology is going on, it could be affecting our sleep and all that other stuff. So it came in this box right here. I'm just glad that the box doesn't say Best Buy. You know, it was so crazy because me and my mom, we were sitting on the couch. We sitting in the living room, and I didn't hear nothing, see nobody or nothing. All of a sudden, I get a notification. Not even a notification. I just looked through my phone. A package has been delivered. And I'm like, what? Then my mom, she was like, oh, we probably didn't see him because we was trying to fix this Chromecast. So y'all, stay tuned because the new Chromecast launched. So I'm trying to get that. And Google Assistant compatible. So just like if you're, you know, you have an Android like I do, this is Google activated. It's not Alexa activated. It's Google Assistant activated, you guys. And you can also connect this to your Chromecast. If you're not familiar with the Chromecast, it's basically the device that streams all different kinds of services, and you hook it up to your TV. But I mainly use my Chromecast to watch YouTube, like YouTube, Disney Plus. I watched Netflix in the past, but I don't watch Netflix. So you can use your Chromecast for that. But anywho, it's compatible. This is compatible with YouTube Music. It has all the different things that it's compatible with. And it's compatible with Spotify, which I really love because I was like, I want a digital clock to where when I have my alarm, I want to wake up to a song that I want to wake up to. Like, I don't want to wake up to no bam, 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 bam. How is that pleasant? I want to wake up to some Jacob Lattimore. Okay. Let me wake up to some Eric Bellinger. Sound like, come on. Wait, put it in my life. Put it in my life, y'all. Okay. So, yeah, then the main two people I listen to, y'all. Eric Bellinger and Jacob Lattimore. Okay. Y'all, I got a crush on Jacob Lattimore. And if Eric Bellinger wasn't married... Okay. Google Music, Google Chromecast, your Nest, that's another device. A Google Nest is another device. Spotify. I'm not sure what this Philip Hughes is. Not sure what that is. I'm gonna have to look into that. It sounds like one of those light bulb changing things, and I want to get that too. And then Pandora. I don't listen to Pandora. Like, if y'all still on Pandora, y'all still on Pandora. But I haven't used Pandora since like 2012. Not even 2012, like 2010. But anywho, before I get started, I'm about to spray this down, y'all, because I'm fit for this. Oh my god, okay. I was like, this is a Black Friday steal. Like, this ain't no regular 10% off deal. This ain't no regular 10% off deal, honey. $35 and it's 90? Oh, baby. Ew. I'm finna steal that. It was a steal deal, y'all. It was a steal deal. Y'all, I done got me a steal deal. I done got me a steal deal. But anywho. Alright, so. Okay, I was being goofy. Okay, so. It says, hey Google, wake me up at 7 a.m. So you don't have to set the alarm. The Google will set the alarm for you. Dang, hold on. Trying to figure out how to open that box. Oh, it's got tape on it. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Oh my God. Y'all. Look at how little this clock is. Look at my hand. I don't have big hands, okay? Look at this clock. Okay, I'm going to compare it to, dang, I didn't think this thing was that little. And this is $90? Girl, I would have been pissed. Girl, this thing, little. Okay, this is my candle. This is a candle from TJ. Put the clock next to it. The candle is bigger than the clock. Oh. Okay, y'all. Anywho. So it comes with like wrapping on it. So let's take the wrapping off. Slide that off. Boop. Okay, so this is the screen, y'all. Hey, y'all. Y'all see me recording. And then in the back, you have your USB. And you have the adapter port where you put that in. And then you can plug it to the wall. And then you have this thing right here. This switch. Not sure what that switch is at the moment. This is where the clock was. Inside, it comes with the adapter. Yeah. So this is the adapter. This is the cord. This is the end that you plug it in to the back here. Just like that. And then you plug this into the wall. Right? What else does it have? Let's see what else. And it has the instructions off to the side here. And let's see if it's anything else. Take this out. Nope, that's it. That's all it comes with. Just making sure. Okay, let's close the box. All right, y'all. So that is our Levino smart clock unboxing. And I will come back to do an install with y'all. All right? See you on the next one. It's your girl, Sincerely Yana.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.